How to set up away message in Outlook, or you can say how you can set up auto reply when you're not in the office, when you're not in the office and you're not able to manage your office, so you can create the rules for auto reply or out of the office reply on Outlook. So let's start with the video. Before you start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I'm on my Outlook. So go to the main. So in first step we need templates, auto forward templates. So you need to create first templates to reply, auto reply on mail. So just create new mail, and here the you have to compose the templates, which template you want to reply on mail. Okay, dear, I am not in the office, any urgent, you can forward you can forward this mail to, but on this email id you can write anything you want. So here now go to the, okay, go to the file and save as. So you need to save this template, so I will show you how you can use it. So you can save anywhere, so just give the name of these templates. Okay, and you have to change the types, which is Outlook templates, and I just change in, okay, I just select, this is by default option, folder which is Microsoft templates. I just give the name sample templates and just save it. Now come back, don't save it again, go to the file and go to the manage rules and create new rules from here. So I want to apply this rule for every message, sorry, every receive message. So apply this rule on message I receive. Okay, just click on next. Now this is a condition where you want to choose. Okay, so if you want to apply this auto reply or auto uh, away message to everyone, so you don't need to select anything from here. Okay, but if you want to apply to particular peoples or particular emails, so you can choose from here, just tick the first option and you can select the emails from here. Okay, or you can write email manually. Okay, okay, and just click on OK. So you can see the email id has been added, so your away message or out of office message reply will be sent to the this particular message only. So if you want to apply for everyone, just untick everything and go to the next. So here you can see the pop-up will be come and it says that this rule will be applied to everyone, as I said. Okay, just click on yes. Okay, so now just reply using the specific time. You have to click on this, there is another condition, you have to select reply using the specific templates. So now you have to select this saved template, so click on it. And okay, so here you can see in this folder I have saved these templates. So if you save to another folder, so just select this one first and go to the browse, and now you can find the folder where you have selected, save it. So I just saved this one, just open it. So it has been selected. Now you can click on next to apply another condition. You can see the all condition. Okay, but if you don't want to add the condition, go to the click on finish, then you can see rules has been created. Now you can apply it, so rules will be created. So whenever you come back and if you want to delete these rules, go to the file, go to the manage rules, and you can delete rules from here, or you can untick it to deactivate it. Okay, so it will be not apply, you can apply for future if you need. So if you want to delete, just click and delete it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.